Marina cleaning our oyster cages. We're part of Chesapeake Bay Foundation's Oyster Restoration Program. At the beginning of the summer, we pick up 2 cages that have spat-on oyster shells, which are baby oysters set on recycled shells. Our cages are then placed at Little Creek Marina, who generously donated space to us. Being an oyster gardener is really important because the oyster population is getting smaller and smaller, and it is only a fraction of what it used to be.
Oysters are the Chesapeake Bay's natural filters.
A single oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day.
To clean the oysters, we lift the cages out of the water, we pull out the oysters, removing barnacles, sea squirts, and other growth so that they can breathe. After that, we go over the cages with a steel toothbrush to break off any algae or barnacles.
Our gardeners will grow and care for our oysters for about 1 year, and then we'll return them back to Chesapeake Bay Foundation once they are mature adults. The adult oysters are planted on sanctuary reefs. Allow the oysters to filter the Chesapeake Bay's water.